Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Robux with a debit card on your mobile device. First, open the Roblox app on your phone. Next, look for the Robux icon at the top of the screen. Tap the Robux icon. You will now see a list of Robux packages you can buy. These packages show different amounts of Robux for different prices. Scroll through and choose the amount you want to purchase. After selecting a package, you will see the purchase screen. Here you will see payment options available for mobile purchases. If your debit card is linked to Google Play or Apple App Store, you might see the store payment. But to use your debit card directly, look for the option that says Add a Card or Payment Methods. Roblox allows you to use major debit cards when buying through the app's payment form. Tap Add a Card. On the next screen, enter your debit card information. After entering your card details, you may be asked to confirm your billing address. Enter your address details as requested. When prompted to choose a payment method, select your debit card. Once everything is filled in, review your order summary. If it looks correct, confirm the purchase. Your transaction will be processed. Once it is complete, the Robux you bought will appear in your account balance right away. Thanks for watching.